So, okay, we're kind of blending one from the other. So we're talking about slowing down,
Hmm.
but slowing down has so many benefits, and I think all the other things that we're going to talk about come from slowing down. Slowing down is the first thing. So what happens, especially when we get nervous, we just want to we want to get it out quickly, get it
Yeah.
over and done with. But if we do that, our words are not landing. So
Hmm.
slowing down enables every word to land, but it gives us time to think. Now, when somebody talks to you, goes, you see how my natural reaction there was to come forward. Well,
Yeah.
the listener's natural reaction to that is to go backwards. And what happens is all of your words, all of your really important information that you're trying to share blends into nothing. So you're trying to say so much that they don't hear any of it. But what they do is do
Hmm.
that. So what I'm getting at is when you have silence, naturally they lean in because they want to hear what's coming next. So silence is is your friend, not your enemy.